If you have heard about blockchain, especially newbie, they basically think blockchain is a rocket science, and some of them feel deterred from venturing into crypto because of their perception around blockchain. Many of them feel like blockchain is a scam or is a technology that is established to siphon their money or to rob them of their property, basically their assets. So if you're a newbie in the crypto ecosystem and you actually want to venture into crypto trading, but you've been hearing about blockchain, but you don't really know what blockchain really is, I guess this video is for you. So I would like you to sit back, relax, and watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, at the end of the video, you have knowledge about what blockchain is all about and how you can make smart decision while trading and scouting your coin on blockchain. All right, if this is what you like to see and this is what you like to know, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the video. Hi guys, welcome to Inspire World with Linsky, where you can learn how to make passive income online and how you can help scale in the crypto ecosystem. So if making money online is your plight and if growing your skill in the ecosystem, crypto ecosystem is what you like to know, then this channel is for you, because on this channel I dish out basic information that can help you grow, information around crypto ecosystem, building your psychology around crypto ecosystem, and basically technical analysis. So these are the things I do on this channel. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, because subscription is free on this channel, and then smash the bell so that I can get updates anytime I update on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always being part of this channel, and thank you for always supporting me on this channel. So guys, what are we discussing? We're talking about what is blockchain. Basically, if you're into crypto ecosystem, like you want to start trading crypto, then one of the first things you should learn to know is blockchain, because there is no way you can trade crypto without you having the knowledge of blockchain, because any crypto you're going to be selecting, any crypto you're going to be trading, you get them from blockchain. So we'll be dividing this discussion into three parts, where I'll talk about what blockchain is all about, the features of blockchain, and then the relationship between blockchain and cryptocurrencies. So let's pick them one after the other so that you can actually understand me and enjoy everything I'm talking about in this video. So the first thing is, what is blockchain? This is quite simple. If you ask professionals, they will tell you that blockchain is like a notepad that keeps a record of transaction that is open to everyone. That is basically a professional definition of blockchain. It's like a technology that is established to keep records of transaction and thing happening within a blockchain ecosystem. But as a beginner, I won't want to bore your knowledge with that kind of definition, because it looks so ambiguous. You find it very difficult to understand. Okay, so if I'm going to tell you what blockchain is all about, I'm going to just talk about it in relation to your traditional bank. You understand? Blockchain is just like a technology that is established to embody your cryptocurrency. That is, it's just like a technological bank that is developed to keep your cryptocurrency, or a technological bank where your crypto are being listed. Okay, that is basically what blockchain is all about, going by a layman definition, but the professional definition just has to do with a technology that is established to embody to where that keeps record of crypto transaction. Okay, so that is the definition of crypto. So that is the definition of blockchain. In case you want to know what blockchain is all about, but going further now, the thing is, being in the ecosystem, they are scared to trade blockchain because of maybe probably the news they've had, like I said earlier. And this is where you need to understand the future of blockchain. So if I'm going to tell you the future of blockchain now, then you basically understand why why blockchain ecosystem is never a scam. It will only be a scam if you're trading on an unverified blockchain. But as far as the verified blockchain, there's no iota of scamming it. So let's go to the future of blockchain. Now we'll start. I will only talk about three things around the future of blockchain. You understand? And when I mean, what do I mean by future? Like basic thing that blockchain like basic thing that blockchain embody. Like what are the things that that characterize blockchain that makes it a blockchain? Those are the future I want to talk to you. So I'll be talking about three things. The first thing you should understand is blockchain is decentralized. You understand? Blockchain is established on a decentralized system. What do I mean by decentralized system? And this is where the anti-scamming comes in. You understand? The decentralized system means that it is not the everything happening in the ecosystem of blockchain is not limited to one person or some certain set of persons. In as much you have access to blockchain, then you have access to everything happening within the ecosystem. That is no, not one person can be in charge. You can be in charge too, because whatever is happening on it, you are in charge. You basically have access to it. Unlike your traditional bank, that only the creator of the bank and those that work in the bank knows everything happening within the banking ecosystem and your money. So before you know what is happening with your money, you need to sign documents and the likes before you can actually access whatever in the bank. Now, let's take for instance, excuse me, let's take for instance two persons want to monitor a transaction. They have to download an app on their phone to monitor this transaction. Now, both of them monitoring that this transaction will basically know what is going on within that ecosystem, because they both have access to it. You understand? That is decentralization. So it's not like one person have access to it, two have access to it. And as far as blockchain is concerned, everybody have access to it. So that's not about the first thing. The second thing is transparency. Now, if you open a blockchain, you verify your account, you buy your crypto, and you buy your crypto, you convert it to USD, and for every transaction you're making, it is open to you. For everything happening around Bitcoin, it's open to you. It's not like you read in news or you see on TV that okay, Bitcoin is at 70%, but you don't know it. You don't know how the chart is going, how traders are behaving around it. You understand? It will look so ambiguous, but as far as blockchain is concerned, you know everything about every coin you're trading. You know everything about every coin you want to trade. Everything is open. That is the transparency. It is open to everybody. It is not limited to one single person or particular set of persons. So that is why they said it is like a block that is like a notepad rather, that has records of transactions, that is open to everyone. Everyone can access. It is not limited to some certain set of persons. So this is basically the number two feature of blockchain. Okay, so if you want to know what blockchain is all about, I feel this is one of the things you should know about blockchain. It is transparent. So if you feel blockchain is a scam, it's never a scam. Okay, you have access to everything happening within the ecosystem of blockchain. And the last thing is the security aspect of it. So sometimes you feel like okay, like your bank, you can actually transfer money and issues happen. You understand? Everything around what's the name? Blockchain is very secure. Okay, nothing can happen to your money. Nobody can cheat. Nobody can take your money. Your money is secure. Once your money is in it, is in it. Nothing can happen to it. Okay, and whatever thing on blockchain, it is permanent. Nobody can go behind the scene and alter anything. You understand? So if you're a newbie who wants to trade crypto and you're thinking like, okay, the blockchain might, if I put my money in blockchain, they might steal my money. Or every day you wake up, you start checking the phone to see if your money is there. You can put your money there for years and forever, it will be there. In as much the ecosystem exists, your money is there. Nothing can be altered on your money. Everything is there. So the major thing you need to understand about blockchain is basically secured. Okay, so it is very very secure. Now, those three features I've mentioned, they are the major feature of blockchain against all other things you need to know about blockchain. Now, what is the relationship between blockchain and cryptocurrency? Now, blockchain is your bank. You understand? You need some. There are some things in the okay. Like you need. There are something in the backend system where you need internet. You understand, to run. Okay. Now let's put it like the blockchain is like the internet. that runs cryptocurrency. You understand? So the relationship between the two is just like the blockchain is just like the power where the cryptocurrency rests upon. Okay, so without the blockchain, your cryptocurrency is as useless as anything. There's no way you can trade it. There's no way where you can actually monitor them or analyze them. Okay, so that's the relationship between the two of them. Your blockchain is the bank, your crypto is the money that you save in the bank. Okay, that is basically everything you need to know about blockchain. Okay, and if there's any other thing you want to ask about blockchain, yeah, like you feel like is you don't really understand about blockchain, hit the comment section. Okay, ask your question, and if there's any contribution you want to make around blockchain, hit the comment section. Let's discuss about it in the comment section. Okay, all right, guys. If this video have added value to you, like you find everything in this video very meaningful and very helpful because it's a very short video, okay, please smash the like button. Okay, give this video a thumbs up so that I can get to the necessary people that are interested in it. Okay, people like me, people like you are interested in this kind of content. Okay, check the description so that I can see more videos I've made around cryptocurrency and technical analysis. All right, till next time I see you in another video like this. Till then, guys, peace. I love you guys.